Welcome back everyone to the RPA Bot Builders YouTube channel. On this channel, we show you tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to quickly and easily build your own RPA bots with Automation Anywhere's A2019 software environment. In today's video, we'll cover how to incorporate error handling in your bots. Now, you might be thinking, why would I need error handling? Whenever you're creating and running bots, there's always some degree of possibility of an unexpected occurrence that will derail your bot's normal execution. Now, when an error occurs, the standard response from the bot will be to stop all execution and display a message to the user. This response is not optimal and can be problematic in some runtime environments. That's where error handling comes in. Error handling commands enable you to tell the bot exactly what you want it to do in the case of an error coming up during execution. This is important because if an error occurs, you may want to send someone an email as a notification or log certain pieces of data to a file to help with investigation afterward. You could even attach that file to the email that was sent. Error handling is a critical component for bots in production to help anticipate where an error may occur and be proactive in deciding what actions to take in these scenarios. So today we'll build a simple bot that opens and reads a text file and then writes that information to an existing Excel workbook. Throughout the execution, we'll see how we can incorporate error handling commands as well. I've moved over to A2019's flow view and I've already created the bot that opens the text file, reads the information, and then writes that information to an Excel sheet. Currently, there is no error handling included here, so if an error occurs, the bot stops and throws a message to the user. To demonstrate how to incorporate error handling, we'll simulate an error at the step where we open the Excel file right here. This bot looks for an existing sheet on our PC, so we'll go ahead and delete that sheet to force the error to occur. So you might be wondering, how do we go about incorporating error handling? Well, let's start by using the search bar. We'll type in error handling or as many characters as needed, and we see our error handler package show up here on the left. There are four main error handling commands to know. Try, we'll go ahead and drag this try in here. Try is used to specify a set of commands that should be monitored for errors. This is where you anticipate that an error may occur. So I'm going to go ahead and drag my Excel Advanced Open Worksheet command and I'll write to the worksheet. I'm anticipating that I may encounter an error when I try to open that file. The next command is catch. I'll drag this in. You'll notice it links itself to the try command. Catch then allows you to specify which actions should run if an error occurs in the try command. Within the catch command, you have the availability to use any of the functions and actions from the package library on the left. So sending an email, logging to a file, setting certain values to certain variables are all available to you to execute if an error were to occur. So we'll go ahead over here on the left and put a message box into our catch. So if an error occurs, the Excel sheet is not found, we'll go into our catch flow and open up a message box with the message, file not found, please create one. Apply and save. The next command is finally. We'll go back to our error handler package. As we drag finally in, you'll see it also connects to the try and the catch. Finally enables you to specify actions that you want to run in either case, whether an error occurs or not. So if everything runs smoothly and we don't encounter an error, we'll still execute the actions that are held in the finally command. We'll also execute them if we do encounter an error and go into the catch command. So this is a great area for cleanup functions like closing out applications and files. That's exactly what we'll do. We'll close out our text file that we opened earlier in the bot. The last error handling command that we haven't used is throw. This is used to throw an exception and display a custom message if you just wanted to halt the bot's execution. Next, in preparation of running this bot, we'll take a look on my computer at the files that we're operating on. I'll open up the names text file, and you can see in this file we've just got a set of names that we're going to grab from this text file, copy over to the blank spreadsheet. So I'll close this. I've got the blank worksheet right here. So when I run this bot, it will run without an error the first time through. We'll go ahead and run. We got our message that the bot ran successfully. We can open up this sheet and see that the data was transferred over successfully. I'll close this. Next, we're going to go in and delete that file in order to initiate the error and take us into the catch commands. So I'll delete this file, and now we'll run again. And we got our message here that the file was not found. Please create one, just as we programmed and told it to do. What's not apparent on the screen is that in either of these cases, we've gone and closed that text file at the end of the execution in the finally command, just as we told it to. That was a quick summary on the error handling package in A2019. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, post them below. Hit the like button if you like the video, and subscribe to see more videos coming up in the next few weeks. See you next time.